I did some shopping at Michael Kors over the weekend, so let's go ahead and unbox everything that I got. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today, as I mentioned, I did some shopping over the weekend and I went to Michael Kors and spent a pretty penny. So let's go ahead and unbox everything that I purchased. So full disclosure, these are all ready to wears. I did not purchase any handbags or SLGs. I typically like to go to Michael Kors and Coach to purchase their ready to wears over their handbags just because I have a lot of handbags that I like to rotate through already. And I haven't been able to find anything from Michael Kors or Coach that really gravitates my eye. I know, don't come for me. I know there's a lot of great Coach bags out there, such as the Tabby, but I'm just not vibing as much with those bags that I do with the ready to wears. So I do have some ready to wears that I did purchase from the Michael Kors outlet. So I did get some great savings. I will let you guys know the savings as I go through the items that I purchased. But I wanted to go ahead and just unbox this with you, and I will do some modeling shots and show you guys what it looks like on me. If you guys are curious as I pull out these items. But let's go ahead and dive right in. So I did separate them into pants and shirts. And so let's go ahead and show you the pants first. So the first thing that I picked up were these straight fit Michael Kors jeans, and I absolutely don't wear jeans, and I wanted to try and wear more of them. I typically live in sweatpants or work clothes. So if I'm not going to the office, you best believe I am usually very comfortable. However, I did wear jeans as a kid, and so I thought, you know what, time to buy me some jeans. And so this was $175. However, I did get them on sale and paid around $85 plus tax, which I think was a great deal. And I did get this in a size 32 waist with 30 length. I do like to roll my pant legs and wear a belt, which is why I typically get a little bit of a bigger waist. But I will show you guys what it looks like on me. And so moving on to the next item, which is going to be some black pants that I wanted to kind of use for work as well as outside of work. And so these ones were also $175 and they are in the same 32 waist by 30 length. I just like how this one looks on me, and this one is in the more of a slimmer fit versus the jeans are more of a straight fit. So I wanted to get two different styles. And then my favorite part, this is the sweatpants that I picked up in this nice blue navy color. Absolutely love these. And these are not in the similar sizing as the pants. These are in a size medium. This is what the back looks like. So it does have a one pocket at the back. And if I'm not mistaken, these ones were a little bit different. So for this the pants, these were $195 and I did get them for $97.50. So for some reason these pants are a little bit more expensive than the actual jeans and the black pair of pants that I got. Super interesting. And then similarly, I got shorts, which I absolutely loved the cream color. So when I'm at home lounging around, I do tend to wear a lot of shorts. And for some reason, this one was $128 and I got it for $64. And I was also trying to get these shorts in the blue color, but they didn't have my size, nor did they have it orderable online. So that's why I got the longer pant for the blue color, which will kind of give away what the tops are going to be. And both of the tops are going to be $198, but I did get them on sale for $99 each. And essentially what I did was I just got the matching sweatshirt to go with it. So these are in a size medium. And so I got it in the navy blue as well as the cream color, which I absolutely love, 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 love this color. I think it looks super cute. And so that is everything that I purchased from Michael Kors. Let me know down in the comment section below which item you like best and how I should style it. I put the modeling shots as to how the outfits I would kind of wear with these pieces or how I would style them. So let me know down below what you guys think or how I should change it. Should I return some of these things? You guys let me know down in the comment section below. And if you like this kind of content or simply want to see more of me, then definitely hit that like and subscribe button. And until next time, I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.